the article discusses the prevalence of postoperative ventral hernias, POVH, and their recurrence rate following different types of surgery. It also examines the effectiveness of various techniques used for hernioplasty, such as autoplasty and alloplasty, and how they can reduce the risk of complications. Finally, it looks at the importance of reducing intra-abdominal pressure and preventing inflammation in order to improve the quality of surgical outcomes.
This article was authored by RAKHMATULLOEV, SH.B POLVONOV, SH.K NAZAROV, and others.